don't be forget him or her in since when you are alive in your life, because they are very kind of uh, what should I say, like a very important assets in your assets of your that time, whenever you was facing the sorrow moment, or in a kind of dilemma, you was in a dilemma or something. So that kind of person were with you. So don't forget of them since when you are alive. Don't be like a just call him or her after 2 days, after a week, or after a month. Just ask him or her to uh, his well-being, how are you, and 15 minutes left to 7 a.m. at morning, and start the new day, new beginning, or new determination, with the new determination, with the new goals, new beginning, and live happily, live peacefully, and live calmly. Very good morning, Ajay this side. This is my day 38 to filming itself. Very good morning. I just came here to keep an eye on this sprinklers, and actually sorry, they had run yesterday already, yesterday the water, but just a little bit part had rested to wait it, so that's why I came here and just keep on eye of them. I don't know what is the problem. It's like this. No, this is not a problem. Like this is the due to of sunlight, because a little bit is a dawn morning now. So dawn morning is a, like a little bit, or also the weather is a misty. It's a misty kind of 9 a.m. at morning, and I'm going towards the tree farm. I have to change the sprinklers over there, and after that uprooting the grass, like then after that I have to do uproot the grass for buffalo. So like now today onwards electricity will come after 12 a.m. Oh sorry, after 12 p.m. That's why I will have to do this kind of chores before the light, before the electricity. It means like 9 to 12 something. Yeah, I have to change the sprinklers over there in a garlic farm, because uh, yeah, it has a run over there, like as spread the water. It has a spread the water at morning, like I had turned it on over there. Now it's time to change, but now the area is too wetted, so I will not do for this time, for the time being. But in the evening after 8, after 4 or 5 p.m. I will change of these sprinklers. So it is the nothing is special is going on, just usual, like simple. And yeah, my t-shirt is a torn out, so don't be think too much, like I wore this kind of thing. So it is normal for me. It is normal not for me, but yeah, it's out of sudden, like whenever you cross, like passes through this kind of dancing kind of area, so it's a very rare chance to like stick in your cloth and gonna be a turn out. It may be most of the times happens. So it is not a big thing for me, and it is not a cringe thing for me as well. So I turn off this wall, then I have to. So this here is like a yellow. This is the rai. It's a sarso. It's a little bit minor sarso. It's a more like a better. It's a big sarso. It's like a थोड़ा big रहता है. From minor sarso. It's a mori, rai mori. And what is the called another thing? I don't know. So this kind of thing. Don't be think I wore the sari. This is the pallu. It's like for as a I keep it the sorry I will keep it the gas in this and hang up and go ahead. I forgot my improvisation, my stick or like a rope. This is my older one. Hey, it is here. This is my older one. So it is here. I new one I had made, but I don't know where it was. Oh, sorry, where is it? बस यही है कहानी. And yesterday I had came here for keep on eye the डूकर like a super. तो अभी मुझे वो जो नॉन लिविंग पर्सन बनाने के वो बनाने किस रह गए, मुझे टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा है कब बनाऊँ, क्योंकि मेरी लाइफ इसी चीज़ों में टर्मोइल हो रही है, रिप्लेक्सड है लाइक दिस वर्क और दिस वर्क. सो या सो I don't know where is my another stick. Yeah, here is my another improvisation to hang up the phone. So I meet you soon. 15 minutes left to 10 a.m. at morning. I had came just recently to turn on the motor. Like I have turned on the motor, and now I'm again going towards the P form. Yeah, I have changed the nozzle. Like it is a rare chance to open the pipe. So actually, what was the wrong? Uh, like mummy ji phone recharge has end, and that's why I have to came here. Oh sorry, I have to come here. And now I'm again going towards the pay form. So it is like like whenever the need of the person, whenever need of the things, that time you just use of them. Just like a mummy ji phones, the phone recharge has ended, and now it's not needed of the phone to like as a it's like totally like a useless. When we talk about any one person in your life, his or her, anyone, he had with you in your sorrow moment, with your joy moment, with your happiness and your any kind of things he had. So please don't be forget uh, him or her in since when you are alive in your life, because they are very kind of uh, what should I say, like a very important assets in your assets of your that time whenever you was facing the sorrow moment, or in a kind of dilemma switch, you was in a dilemma or something. So that kind of person were with you. So don't forget of them since when you are alive. Don't be like a just call him or her after 2 days, after a week, or after a month. Just ask him or her to uh, his well-being, how are you, and how is going on, and what kind of thing is happen, and what's going on. Just normal, because they will not come at your home, you will not go at their home. Just be a normal. So don't forget this kind of people in your life since when you alive. This is the normal thing. But now these days, person forgot the person, like a people forgot the person like as a tissue paper something. I think the pipe has opened it, and I will have to run because the water shortage is normal. So now I'm running. So please just pay the attention of my this kind of things. I don't know where is pipe open. Let me not ask one. So this is the one problem. This is a normal, like whenever you set the pipe, yeah, here is the problem. So I fixed it. Here is the shape of this, and now it's time to. Now it's working. Yeah, now it is working. So this kind of thing is a normal. It happens like whenever the pipe open it itself. So it is happen. That's why I have to run from there to here. So I have to change the other things in another farm, but I will uproot the grass for buffaloes, and in the evening I will do this the sprinklers, because this the area would like a wetted. So 10:15 a.m. at morning, and I uprooted this one. I uprooted that one. Sorry, that one. This one. Okay, this one. I uprooted, and now I'm still uprooting the grass because I couldn't. I wouldn't get a time after the 12th. That's why I uprooted now. And after 12 p.m. like I will go. मैं मिलता हूँ थोड़ी सी देर में. When the lima is going on with this sprinklers, because simultaneously the wind of the bleach, like the bleach of the wind is like that. It's a very kind of not a whole, it's a rustling kind of wind is blowing, and that's why the water is not coming to here, is not able to come here like in this area, and it would be like a no wetted place or dry place due to this wind. And because I have to change the sprinklers in a garlic farm, and the garlic farms needed very necessary over there the water, and here is not too much necessary, but I have only option for the time being. That's why I did it on this kind of sprinkler. So it is normal. It is not a normal, but so that's the how is like a air is going. So this is the effect on the near of it. So this is thing. It's time to go home. Like yeah, time would has a quarter past 10 a.m. at morning. Oh, sorry, quarter past no, half past 10 at morning. And now it's time to go home. So yeah, it's like a half past 10 a.m. and 1.5 hour it's left for electricity to come. And meanwhile of in this half an hour and one and half hours, I will do the buffalo related chores at home. I will not come as of now to plug in the P for with the mummy ji. Past 1 p.m. at afternoon, and I'm here. Everything is a hunky dory, and I have waiting for this like since when left 7 minutes to 1 p.m. I've been waiting for that motor, like it's working now, and when will the water has run out, then after I will go to home, and yeah, everything is a hunky dory, going good. That's it, and this is my day 38 to filming itself. Everything is going. Uh, Very good afternoon. 10 minutes left to 5 p.m. and now I'm here plugging this kind of beans, the pea beans, and I'm plugging, and also I'm uprooting the grass. So this kind of things is going on. Everything is hunky dory, and I will go to for change the sprinklers over there in a while. But now I'm uprooting the grass as well, and also plugging this kind of beans, the pea beans, and now it's ready for to plug in. It's not too much, it's like somewhere like this, but like I'm plugging this kind of things now. And this is my day 38 to film itself, and everything is going good so far. 20 past 5 p.m. at evening. Now it's like a faddy sun. It's a faddy evening, like sun is about to set. It's like a sunset, and this kind of thing is going on. Now I'm here. As like that. So yeah, I meet you over there, but I have to turn on the wall first, then I will go over there. That's it. So I meet you over there. I will go. Like now it's like a Friday evening, and not to be a Friday evening, but it's a little bit lightning. So I will do this kind of things. Then I will change the sprinklers one by one. Then I meet you a while. Papaji had about to came in this side to bring up them Montuji or Gantuji, but I came, and I will bring up them towards the home. And along with this, I would like to say goodbye for this day. It was good. My day was good, and the day it was good day. And along with this, I would like to say goodbye for that time. And I will meet you on tomorrow with my new day 39. And yeah, just keep learning, keep growing, and do whatever you want. Bye bye. Take care. Papaji had about to came in this side to bring up them Montuji or Gantuji, but I came, and I will bring up them towards the home. And along with this, I would like to say goodbye for this day. It was good. My day was good, and the day it was good day. And along with this, I would like to say goodbye for that time, and I will meet you on tomorrow with my new day 39. And yeah, just keep learning, keep growing, and do whatever you want. Bye bye, take care. Quarter past